It's Sunday.
It's a beautiful day in Melbourne, thank goodness. We've decided we're going to go for some coffee because we spent all morning in the yard and
we ran out of beans.
What?
And the new place doesn't do, remember? You wanted to go to that other place.
I wanted to go to a new cafe.
But they don't do filter beans yet.
Not yet, no. But the cafe we're going to, they do, and it's the best beans, so we're going to go grab some. And
the guys there are awesome too.
They're amazing. We have now arrived at Omar, so we're going to grab some food and we'll show you some pictures and videos in a moment. Best affogato coffee ever. Just had lunch and had a coffee. It was really good, so time to go home now.
Tasty.
Best filter beans.